Here's my riding kit. Simple, full face, DOT, European certified helmet that's rubberized. It's kind of nice. So it makes up for the scratches and all kinds of things. Full face shield. Aerostitch jacket. Red this time. The blue one's a little bit that I've been wearing the last several years. Got too big for me. Always take earplugs with me. These goat ropers from Aerostitch are super comfortable, and they've got a little scraper to scrape off any of the road grime. Aerostitch pants with the padding. This is actually called the Darian suit, so it's the Darian jacket, Darian pants. I always take a hydration unit with me. Sure helps when I'm riding over distance. I ride with bicycle shorts, a wicking long sleeve t-shirt, windbreaker, and I also carry an insulating thermal top to put on in case it gets really cold, and I keep that in the saddlebag at my ready. Here's my camera kit. I didn't take out. I haven't taken out. Anyway. Oh yeah. One more thing. I wear these heavy boots from with Alpine Stars. Got a little bit of miles on them, but they give me proper ankle support and all the things you would need when you were touring. And also I can walk in them for a pretty good distance without getting tired. And that is my kit. And I've got to figure out how to put it all back together and into my saddlebags for the next part of the ride.